Okay, this is the SketchUp assignment. It is called SketchUp Cube, and here's how you do it. I just have SketchUp here and the assignment here. I'm gonna go back and forth. Normally, I know I recommend split screening, but especially on a smaller computer like my laptop, you wanna see the whole screen. So I'm just gonna go back and forth between those two links. So first thing, it says create a rectangle that is 3 by 3. Delete the person. So rectangle tool, catch that origin, and write 3 comma 3, and then you're going to want to zoom in on it. Okay, and it's a cube, so I'm assuming you then use push pull to give it a height of 3. So push pull right there, click, go up 3, enter. Now we have a cube. All right, break each face of the cube into 1 by 1 squares. So if it's 3 by 3, then you want to break it into 1 by 1 squares. What I would recommend doing is going to this point and measuring. So write 1, enter, going this way. And now follow the colored line down, follow the colored line across. The remaining piece would then be 2 inches. So just find the midpoint of that, because that breaks it into 1 and 1, and follow the colored lines. Good. And do that going this way. So write 1, enter with your pencil tool. Click colored line, which would be green now. Click colored line, which is blue. Now this is broken in half, so down and over. Yeah, that green is really light. And then same thing down, and then you're done. 1, enter. So this part, this is a bit of a tedious assignment, but if you're okay with the little nuances of SketchUp, then you can kind of get through this pretty quickly. Okay, so we just did that. That's awesome. Next thing is color it. You want it to have this exact color pattern, but not using the same colors. So I'm going to make this like L first, that orange L, but I'm not going to make it orange. So with the paint can, now we get this stuff. I would recommend something I've said in previous classes is I say like what I would call like Easter colors, or like, kind of pastelly spring colors work really nice for this. You don't want to be using too dark of colors like black, or it looks better for later on in the assignment if you use lighter colors. All right, so then we have this little 2. That one's an easy one. I'll use this pink. I think this takes up a decent amount. I'm sort of guessing here. I think that's what it's supposed to look like. And good, I'm correct. And then we just have the back little area, which I'll do orange. Okay, so this is what we're at so far. I can get rid of the paint can in general. Okay, cool. So we are here. It's the same thing, but different colors. Some people might ask, what do I do about the back and the bottom? Because they're blank. You don't have to even really worry about them. Because when you screenshot it, I'm only going to see this. So I don't really want you to work on the back, because we're going to work smarter, not harder. This is sort of a tedious part. Once you get the hang of it, it's not impossible. You want to put a circle with a radius of 0.25 on every face. So this is the unfortunate thing is you're gonna have to make 27 circles, but if you do it quickly, then it'll go fast. So you find a midpoint here, that'll lock onto the middle, 0.25. And I believe if you do it the right way, yeah, see, it'll naturally calibrate and catch from a previous measurement. As long as, see how it naturally will just catch there. So you don't have to do all the midpoints. But yeah, and now I go from that direction, and it should be catching now on, so you can do it quickly. It is a bit tedious, but it should only take you, at most 5 minutes to get all the dots in. So there's only 30 seconds left for this video. I'm going to just naturally fill in the rest of the dots, so you don't have to watch me make 27 circles. And then starting next video, we will be moving on to the next part of this. All right.